Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today we'll be making Kanafa with Kashta Cream. So let's start baking. There are 3 parts of ingredients for the Kanafa recipe. For the sugar syrup, you will need 1 cup of sugar, half a cup of water, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon of orange blossom water. These are the ingredients for the Kashta Cream. You'll need 2 cups of milk, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of white sugar, 2 cups of heavy cream or whipping cream, 1 teaspoon of orange blossom water, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. These are the ingredients for the shredded dough. You will need 1 packet of Katafi shredded phyllo dough, which is 454 grams, 1 cup of melted butter or 2 sticks, 1 teaspoon of Kanafa colouring, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and crushed pistachios for decoration. And this is how your Kanafa should look like. Pour some sugar syrup on top and decorate with some crushed pistachios and enjoy. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. And don't forget to visit my website at AssyrianDishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking, everyone!